her shaking the boobs in my two-seater. Yeah, she like the heater on the seat heater. Yeah, that's a heat seeker. Yeah, always doing a new feature. Collab with my niggas in the lab doing features. Yeah, collab in the lab doing features. Power dose in the leader. Yeah, riding in that coupe two-seater. We in the new league. Brand new coupe and seats. In the booth, in the stew, two speakers. Push the boobs around. In the heater. Yeah. I put my heart pass away, but my niggas gon' be getting it, hitting it, splitting it, pimping it. Yeah, until they get rid of the bitch. Yeah, it's simple as shit. Yeah, we making it flat. Yeah. It's that simple. Yeah, they get the memo. Yeah, took me a day to make a demo. Give me a day to make a demo. Yeah, it's a different tempo. Nah, nigga, this ain't Rambo. This shit costs. I'm a big boss. You got me a bit like Rick Ross now. Yeah, nigga, get crossed out, nigga. Yeah. Big boss get sent off. Yeah, I been hard since the intro. Ballin' hard, nigga, get sent home. Yeah, niggas ain't hard, nigga. Ballin' hard to get sent home.
Yeah, they know the MO.
Yeah, you better get on. Yeah, this hoe like the get-go. Yeah, baby W, yeah, she big bone. Yeah, like a red bone, like the skin tone. Yeah, got me a bimbo. Yeah, she gon' get low. Yeah, she twerking and get low. Yeah, my boo, yeah, like everybody. Yeah, she want the window seat, twerk out the window. Yeah, she gon' slurp it too. Yeah, she yeah, what that perker do, smoking on that purple goo. Yeah, I ain't got no TikTok, I was too busy trying to get me a wristwatch.